So Mark Domanski here. People want to know what the effect of Botox or Dysport is. Well, that's the effect. You see that? That's great. The left side. It's nice, it's smooth, I'm still able to move, it looks natural. That's what I like. Now obviously we have to do this side. I have people who do this prophylactically to prevent wrinkles, because if you keep doing this, you're going to get those deep creases. I know somebody's been doing this since they were in their 20s. You know who you are, and your results are fantastic. But today, I'm just going to fix this. So how am I going to do? A little light touch-up. Some veins on the side, and what I'm doing is I'm doing here. I want to get those lines. I don't want to drop the eyebrow down, and I'm really excited about my new result. So look here, I got nice symmetrical results. So bad Botox, bad Dysport can be fixed. I put in a little bit on this side, a little extra, and basically we got nice. This is what I like. Some people like to be completely frozen. I like to have a little bit of movement, but look, I don't have those deep lines anymore. They're nice and smooth, and I can go like that. I can still move, still got expression. I don't look like one of these housewives of Beverly Hills or New Jersey, and so forth. I had no pain, no issues, no bruising, and so forth. It's about a week afterwards. It takes a couple days to really see the effect, and now it's going to be like this for months. So I'm going to be nice and smooth, and I can show everybody how great I'm doing.